Hello, how's everyone doing? This is Anastasia coming back with another good one. They say a key to anybody's heart is food. So I got the chicken with the mushroom. Cran rainbow. Kind of reminds me of the beloved sauce. Like potato. You dip that in that sauce. I can't even explain it. With my Pepsi. Tina done did it again.